Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your host, Rachel Ahtila. For those of you that have followed this and came over here from Instagram and the post that we're doing in lieu of the giveaway, thank you very much for taking the next step. For those of you that are finding this, whether it's today, tomorrow, or a year from now, my name is Rachel. I've been a professional hunting guide since 18 and going to the mountains of northern British Columbia, Northwest Territories, and the Yukon, probably for about 22 years, I guess now. So, shoot, 23? Anyway, I'm not that old, but it's been a long time. We'll recap it at that. Why we're here today is I'm going to be offering a free online guide school. It's also going to be kind of gearing towards the people that want to be wrangling in the backcountry, whether it's your first year, your second year, you know, one end of a horse from another, or maybe you're just starting. If I've learned anything in this industry, you always go in humble. You never know everything, and the different crews that you ride with, there's always something to be taught, learned, or shared. So, without any further ado, I'm going to be going through my rig system, and I'm going to be showing you some of the things that have worked for me, whether that's with riding saddles like my crossover ranching saddle or different trail saddles, whether that's the different pack saddles that I have based on the different horses and mules I'm using, as well as the different tips and tricks to kind of keep your tack clean, working for you, and functioning in the backcountry. So, without any further ado, what I'm also going to be doing is a giveaway. This week I'm going to be headed down to Reno, Nevada, in lieu of Sheep Week. I'm partnering up with my friends at the Women Hunt campaign, and what we're doing is a giveaway. This Saturday, January 15th, there is going to be a Women's Hunt seminar from 1 to 3 p.m. at the Base Camp Theater in the Reno Sparks Convention Center. Now, to kick it off for exciting 2022, we're coming down to the show. It's been a year, almost two. Everyone's super excited to see each other. My friends and partners with the companies that have been keeping me on the mountain and I are giving back. So, what do you need to do to enter into the sweepstakes? Guys, if you're going to tag women, that's fine, because one of the women of your choice will win. But if you're coming over to Instagram or you're finding this organically, please go follow me on Instagram at Rachel Ahtila. Then you're going to go over, find at Woman Hunt, give them a follow, at Wild Sheep Foundation, give them a follow as well, and you'll read the rules of the post, and from there you can enter. Each time you put your name, you can mention 3 different people. Ideally, it's meant for women, as the giveaway is going to be geared towards women. Some of my favorite products are going to be on this giveaway sweepstakes, so there's going to be 3 different winners. So package number 1 is going to be one of my favorite products, and that is the Yeti Penga 75. This has been a duffel bag, a closet, a seat. You can fill it up. It's airtight. It's also submersible. This is one of my favorite products that comes with me to the mountains because I know I can put this on a broke horse or a colt. God forbid something happens, your diamond comes loose, you have a wreck, it gets bucked off in a river, it gets bucked off in a bog, or it gets bucked off somewhere along the trail and it takes you a few days to find it. I know my stuff is going to be safe in here. So that gives my gold star, and it's going to be in the giveaway. The second item on the sweepstakes is going to be some of my favorite pieces from Sitka Gear. They've been keeping my butt dry and warm on the mountain for a long time, and especially since I started backpacking, it's a system that those are my favorite pieces. There's going to be announcements on what pieces those are going to be. So, same rules apply. Definitely want to be watching for that one. So the third item that we're giving away is going to be a pair of SCHNEE'S boots, the Timberline Women's. They're a great crossover, whether you're in the Midwest, the Northwest, the Southwest, and all points in between. They're definitely a go-to boot of mine if I'm not wearing the granite. Also, sweet tip, they're going to be having a floor giveaway. So a really cool thing too about the SCHNEE'S giveaway is that if you're going to be in the actual seminar room, when you walk through that door, there's going to be tickets handed out. That way, at the end of the seminar, you're also going to be up to win not one pair of boots from my sweepstakes, but also a pair of boots from the SCHNEE'S people themselves. Alright guys, let's do a quick recap. In order to be entered to win the sweepstakes for my guide giveaway, you have to make sure that you like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Head on over to Women Hunt Instagram, give them a like. Head on over to Wild Sheep Foundation, give them a like. And obviously and hopefully you're following me on Instagram and all of my shenanigans. And then from there, look for the post. It'll have me standing there with a Yeti or a giveaway. Probably gonna happen on Sunday. So, well, today is Sunday. Holy, I need another coffee. It's been a week. Hey everyone, we made it to the end of the sequence. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for playing by the rules, liking and subscribing to this channel. There's going to be a lot of really cool things coming down the line. I know that I've really I've pushed myself to go outside of my comfort zone lately. No great things came from comfort zones. So there's going to be a lot more than just tack talk on this episode, and along with the series. I'm going to be working through a lot of my gear systems, whether that's mid, early, or late season. Some of my favorite products. Some products you guys might not even think about. Some I don't think about, but I find them in my backpack on the side of a mountain. And then from there, kind of showing you the day-in-day life. I travel a lot. So there's going to be a vlog series coming out too. Be kind. Let's be honest. I get to travel a lot. I get to do some really cool things. And one of the parts that I love to do about my job is share and meet people. So this is going to be just another avenue where I can share what I do, maybe empower a few more women to travel by themselves, hauling horses, having the confidence to drive their rig into the backcountry. I know that's one thing that me and my girlfriends, we love to go and do. And there's nothing better than having someone meet you at the trailhead that's equally prepared and that you just get to go and have a fun. And guys, be sure to watch for the next episode where I'm going to get through talking about different trail saddles, crossover saddles from ranching, to also working into what you want to have on the trail and what's going to be best for you and your horse. Stay tuned. And like always, keep your diamonds tight and your horses lined out.